Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a Firebase project, a Google account, and your chosen SDK installed. Once done, open the Firebase console and enable authentication so providers are available. Next, initialize locally with the Firebase CLI or add the web app snippet. This wires your app to the project. Make sure to save config values like API key and project ID to your environment. These actions connect your codebase to Firebase Auth and let you begin implementing sign-in flows. Now implement the actual sign-in flows. Import and initialize auth in your app using the config you saved. Use provider methods, sign in with pop-up for Google, or create user with email and password for email sign-up so users can authenticate. Once a user signs in, an auth state changed gives you the current user object. Use it to show protected UI or redirect. Also, store minimal user metadata in Firestore if needed. Make sure to handle promise rejections and display friendly errors to the user. Finish by tightening security and user flows. Update auth and Firestore rules, enable email verification, and implement password reset and session persistence so users stay logged in. Test in multiple environments and devices to ensure redirect URIs and cores are correct. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: check the browser console and Firebase logs for auth error codes. Most issues are misconfigured API keys, blocked pop-ups, or incorrect OAuth redirect URIs. Fix those, then retest the full sign-in sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.